Dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I come back with a new topic for IELTS beginners. The students or the candidates who want to go foreign countries like Canada, but they do not have proper information like IELTS exam, then the video is for them. So the topic is, what is IELTS exams, IELTS modules, IELTS test format, or how to start preparation for IELTS. There are two types of IELTS exam. One for general candidates and another one is for academic candidates. The person who want to go for PR or for job purpose, they have to give general IELTS exam, and the students who want to go abroad for study purpose, then they have to give academic exam. There are 4 modules for both type of exam: writing, listening, reading and speaking. 3 modules will be completed on the same day without break time, that is listening, reading, writing sections. The exam is conducted by 2 councils, one is IDP, another one is British Council. The speaking modules up to a week before or after the other test, and the total test timings is 2 hours and 45 minutes. Then now we will start the brief of all 4 modules by one. First one is listening, in which you have to attend number of questions are 40. Each question carry 1 mark. There is no negative marking. Total time 30 minutes plus 10 minutes time is given to transfer your answer into the answer sheet. There may be 4 parts with 10 questions each. You have to listen recording in which there may be conversation between 2 speakers and you have to find out answers. Means when you listen the audio, at that time 2 speakers are conversating with each other, and during the conversation they will give some hint regarding your answers. So you have to catch your answer. The questions types may be multiple choice, matching, plans, maps, diagram or table. They will play on audio. The recordings will play only once, so you must listen it very carefully. You can find out example of audio for IELTS exam from YouTube by searching Cambridge Listening. There are so many channels who provide Cambridge Listening. The listening test will be same for academic and general candidates. Second module is reading, in which somewhat difference. Timing are same for both academic and general candidates. Number of questions are 40. Each question carry 1 mark, same as listening. Here you have to read the text and answer it properly. And spelling error and grammar can cut your marks or you will be penalized. So question types are same, but the academic reading is quite tough and general reading is quite easy. So the question types are multiple choice, short answer, identifying information, matching, match heading, sentence completion, table, note or summary completion, diagram, flowchart completion, questions from general topics or from books, newspaper or from magazines. Third one is writing. There are 2 tasks in both academic and general. Time 60 minutes, number of questions 2. Task 1 for academic is describe and discuss visual information in your words. Means one graph, table, chart or diagram is given in form of figure, and you have to explain your point of view and write 150 words. Explanation given into the 150 words, and the time you should spend in approximately 20 minutes, because total time is 60 minutes. So you have to spend 20 minutes for task 1 and 40 minutes for task 2. And second task for academic is essay writing, and it should be approximately 250 words, and you have to spend time 40 minutes. While for general candidates, task 2 is same, but task 1 is writing later for the specific situation, explaining situation and reason for it. The letter may be formal or informal, professional or normal letter, and you have to complete it within approximately 20 minutes. The marking parameters are based on task achievement or task response. Second one is coherence, cohesion and lexical resources. Means you have to connect each sentence with a proper linking words. Your grammatical range and accuracy should be counted, and vocabulary should be expanded, or you have to use more vocabulary and link the sentence properly. Then last module is speaking modules. Here total timing is 11 to 14 minutes. There are 3 parts for speaking. Part 1 general, in which you have to first show your ID, and then the examiner asked you general introduction of yourself and some general topics. The topics related to home, family, work, study, hometown, hobbies and many more. The second part is cue card. Cue card topic should be given by examiner, or they can give the topic. You have 1 minute of time for prepare it, and you have to speak for 2 minutes on given cue card. So the given cues must be included in your cue card. Preparation time 1 minute. And part 3 is follow-up questions related to cue card topic. So here 4 to 5 questions will be asked, and within 4 to 5 minutes timeline. And for that speaking purpose, you can subscribe my channel for speaking and writing tips and cue cards sample answer. So these are the 4 modules. You can learn from YouTube channel or from internet, or from there are many websites for it. And for vocabulary purpose, you can follow my Instagram page, that is IELTS.writing-speaking22, and my YouTube channel name is IELTS with Bhavna. Thank you friends. Go ahead. Thank you all of you.